Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to customize appearance of visualization in Power BI. So within this tool, we are going to use formatting options such as different color, font, labels used in reports. So let's start with video. First, we have to open Power BI. For that purpose, in search box, you have to type Power space BI. Now you will get here Power BI icon. So just double click on it. You will open the window for Power BI. Now friends, if you have not installed Power BI tool, then please check the description box. I have given link in description box for installation of Power BI. Okay. Now here you have to open blank report. Now see friends, we are going to create visualization by using dataset, and so just click on this sample data, then load sample data, then select the financial option. Now see, this financial dataset contain different columns like segment, country, product, and so on, multiple columns it is containing. Okay, just click on this button, load data. Okay, now here dataset is loaded for financiers. And suppose I want to create donut chart. For that purpose, just you have to double click on this, and you have to pass the values for donut chart. Suppose I am passing country, then sales, then product, again segment, different names of column you can pass here space, and I want to create donut chart, so I will give donut. Okay, and just click on this blue color arrow so that your donut chart will get created with different values. Okay, now here we will create different visualization effects. Suppose I want to give name to this chart, so I will select the text box here, and I will type as a sales sales report analysis, and you can increase the font size. So just select this sales report analysis, just select this text. Again, you can select the font as per your choice. Again, size of that font, again boldness, italic font, underline. Suppose you want to align at center, so you can select the center. Again, font color instead of black, so I will select this sales report analysis, and color, suppose I want to give this as a pink. So you can give name here. If you see towards the right side for on this visualization, you can select this option, format your visuals. Again, from that you have to select general, and here properties. Suppose I want to increase, okay, from this general, again you will select the properties. First you have to select this report or chart, then you will get this option general. Suppose I want to increment height of this report, so just I will increase the height so that report height will get increased. Then general properties, suppose I want to increment the width, so just I will click here 500, and here suppose I want to keep it as a 900. So according to that, here height and width will get adjusted. Again, position you can select here as per your choice. Horizontally at what distance and vertically what distance you want. Suppose I want to keep it as a 100. So if you observe, it is shifted to this side, means vertically 100, like this it will consider, and horizontally 100, means from this axis it will contain, it will take as a distance of 100 pixel here. After that, padding, If you want, you can apply this option. After that, title, suppose I have done it as a on, then you can create the title here. Okay, suppose I want to give title as a welcome to sales report. Again, font you can select here as per your choice, and size of that font. Suppose font I want to give as a 25. Again, suppose font color I want to take as a sky blue, so I can take it. And again, bold, italic, underline, like this. You can give the effects for this text. Okay, if you want to use the divider, again you can on the divider. Okay, for divider also you can use the different colors. So I will use the color as suppose this one, and width of that, suppose I'm increasing it up to 10. So you will get this divider here. Okay, again spacing, you can on the spacing when it is considering the space between this text and this divider, again this divider, and to this donut chart. So I want to increase this from 5 pixel to 10 pixel. So you will observe here this distance is increased or space is increased. Again, space below title area. So again we will increase this. So here below this title area also distance is increased. Again, next, effects, background. Suppose I want to use background color as this one, light pink. So it will get changed here. Again, visual border. If you want to apply the border, just you have to on it and you have to select the color. Suppose I'm selecting the color as this purple, and rounded corners. It is giving option. So I want to use rounded corner, but up to what limit? I want to use it up to pixel as a 30. Okay. After that, width also you can select, and suppose I'm taking the width as 25, so that this width also get modified. Again, you can give the shadow effect also here. Suppose here shadow effect, just you have to on it, and after that you have to select color of shadow. Suppose I want shadow color as this one, and again where you want, at inside or outside, inside the image or outside. I want it outside. I will select outside and bottom right. You can select it as per your choice. Now see, you will get the shadow to this side. You can change color also. You can change the background for this report also. For that purpose, just you have to go in view. Then different themes are here. From themes, you can select your required theme. Suppose I want to change this theme to this. This is my favorite one. So in this way, your chart will get modified. You can change to this also. As per your requirement, you can change your report analysis. So in this way, we have completed customization of appearance of visualization in Power BI. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.